My name is Julia Bogner. Welcome to my 8-minute Tabata class. So out of all of the possible HIIT formats, Tabata is probably one of my favorite, one of the most effective and super quick. So really quick, short little rundown. Tabata consists of 4-minute blocks. You can do one 4-minute block, you can do 3 or 4, or even 5 if you want. But they're high intensity blocks, 20 seconds on, 10 seconds off for 8 rounds. That makes 4 minutes. One block is 4 minutes. You can get a nice little workout in just 4 minutes. So the idea is you go hardcore for those 20 seconds, you take 10 seconds to recover, and then you do it again. The way I like to do this class is to do 2 moves back to back, so we're mixing it up just a little. So each move gets 4 turns. So you'll have move 1, 20 seconds, 10-second break, move 2, back and forth 4 times each. That'll give us 8. That will give us 4 minutes. All right, today, right now, are going to do 2 of those blocks. You don't need much, you need just a little bit of space, light dumbbells, and if you don't have dumbbells, don't worry, you can not use the dumbbells and still get a great workout. So we are going to jump right into this. If you haven't warmed up a little bit, go ahead, hit the pause button, get a little warm, run around, do some jumping jacks, stretch a little, and then come back, because we are just going to hit it. All right, so light dumbbells, a little bit of space, have some water close by, and let's get to it. Okay, so here is block number 1, the first move that we're going to do with your dumbbells if you have them. If not, again, don't worry about it. Just do these moves. You will work. We're doing a squat into a press, a power press. So my legs are going to jump together. If you don't want to jump, you can do a little step, and then jump back out, and then push shot put into one corner. Come back to your squat. So alternating sides, just like this. Up, down, and punch. Again, this is your modification. Step, squat, and punch, or just take the step or the jump out all the way. Keep your feet wide and do it that way. Everyone is different. Everyone's 100% is different. So find what that is for you and do that one. Number 2, so you'll have 10 seconds to rest. Number 2, easy, a jog and a jab. One arm at a time. We're gonna go forward for 2, back for 2. Keep your weights close. You wanna move quickly. Every time your arm moves, your leg is stepping. So 1, 2, 1, 2. Just like this. Again, slower or faster. You ready? Let's give it a try. 8 rounds. We got this in 4, 3, 2, and 1. Squat press, shot put, push. Nice and low, power up. Good. Hold on. 20 seconds. It's not that long. Feels long here. We have 7 seconds to go. 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, one down. Going into those jog and jabs. We'll do one side. Next time we'll do the other one. Ready? 3, 2, and hit it. Forward and back. If your weights are a little too heavy, go ahead, put them down. You will still be working, I promise. 8 seconds. Punch, 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 punch. 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, breathe, relax. Big 10-second recovery. You ready for the next one or back to that first one? In 3, 2, let's go. Press and shot put, punch. Nice and low, and then up, back down low. Your modification, step, or just keep your legs wide. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Amazing. All right, breathe. 10 seconds. Jog, jab, the other arm, shoulders down. You ready? 3, 2, let's go. Hit, hit. Every time you punch, you are stepping. You can make this with a little bit more movement, front and back, or even just keep it center. Whatever works you the best. 4, 3, 2, 1. Really good. Guess what? Halfway through this one, ready to finish it? 4 more. Arms up, ready? 3, 2, squat press. And shot put. Low, power up, and punch. Stay with me. We got this. Give me 4, 3, 2, and 1. Perfect. More than halfway through. All right, back to that first arm for your jog and jab in 3, 2, hit it. Make sure the shoulder isn't creeping up nice and long throughout your neck. Maybe pick up the pace if you can, just for 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, we have one more of each, and that'll give us our first block. All right, last one of this first one in 3, 2, and go. And make it good. Our last one of these, up, down, and punch. Very good. 4 seconds. 3, 2, and 1. So good. One more. Deep, steady breaths. 10-second rest. Back to that jog and jab to finish off this first block. 3, 2, let's hit it. Nice and quick. We get a little break after this, so really push through. 10 seconds. Come on. Give me 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. You did it. Tabata block 1. Done. Get a drink if you'd like, and meet me right back here. All right, how are you feeling? You did it. You made it through that first block. We have one more block, and that's it. So I'm using 1 dumbbell this time. So grab one of your dumbbells or no dumbbells, whatever works for you. You're gonna hold the big parts of your dumbbells like this. We're doing a front lunge with a little paddle over your front thigh, and then a little hop, step, switch. So push back, hop, step, switch. With a little more intensity, you're really pushing away from the ground, really lifting your knees, really getting lots of twisting. You're working everything, your waist, your thighs, your shoulders. Why not work everything? So that's number 1. Modify with less of a jump. You can even step, take the jump out. That might be your 100 today. That's okay. Number 2, we're not going to use the weight per se, but we're gonna let it hold a place for us. So we're gonna put it on the floor. Donkey kick. I'll give you an option for the donkey kick if you're not ready for that. And a towel run, or we'll call it a dumbbell run. Here's our donkey kick. Hands down, shoulders forward. Shift forward, heels to your butt. Coming back up. Run around that dumbbell. And repeat. You're gonna alternate the directions of your run. Now if you wanna modify that donkey kick, you're just going to do a squat thrust, out, in, and then go. Easy, right? You can even step out. Out, out, in, and jog. We're all at different levels. All the levels are great. Just find yours. All right, we ready? 4 more minutes, and that's it. A total body Tabata HIIT workout done. Grab the big parts of your dumbbells. In 3, 2, 1, go. Big step forward, shoulders stay over your hips. Push away, big step, paddle. 1, 2, 1, 2. How's that going? You getting it? Big step. Try not to let your shoulders come forward like this. Keep them up. Give me 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nice job. Put that weight down in front of you. Feet nice and wide. Either a squat thrust or a donkey kick. Ready? Go. Up, down, and a quick run around that dumbbell. Repeat. Run the other way. If you're doing that donkey kick, make sure to keep your chin lifted so you don't dive into the floor. 3, 2, and 1. All right, 1 round down. Back to the beginning. Hold on to your dumbbell. Ready to do it again. 3, 2, big step, go. Paddle, hop, switch. Really get those legs up, your knees up. 10. Or again, take it down, but just taking the jump out or jumping less. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Perfect. Down in front of you. Donkey kick, dumbbell run. Ready in 3, 2, hit it. Tiny steps, but quick steps. And circle. 10 seconds to go. Halfway through this. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Great job. Grab your dumbbell halfway through the whole thing now. 4 more rounds. Here we go in 3, 2, go. Big step, push away. Big circle, or not circle, paddle with your arms all the way front to back. Shoulders stay right over your hips. Hold on, halfway there. 10 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Great job. Weight goes down. Woo. Ready? In 3, 2, hit it. Up, down, quick circle. I will show you the modification right here, just out, in, and that's all. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Really good. 1 more of each. Grab your dumbbell. 10-second break. Deep, steady breaths. Ready? 3, 2, big step. Let's go. Push away. Sit it low. A big paddle. 10 seconds. Give me 5. Then we're done with this one. 3, 2, and 1. That's all. Last one. 20 seconds. And we are done. So whatever you got left, give it to me right here. 3, 2, let's go. Up, down, and a quick circle. You got this. We just have 10 seconds left. Stay with me. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Such a good job. Step tap with me. Take some deep inhales and exhales. Just 8 minutes. 1 more breath in and out. And you did it. Total body, kick your butt right here. High intensity, Tabata. So start slowing your breath down. Give me a front heel tap. Shoulder rolls. Good. 4, 3. Give me 2. And let's go into some side lunges. Side to side. Let's do 8 of these. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Take it to the center. Sit into that squat. Push your inner thigh away. Sink back into your heels. Nice little stretch here. And the other side. So we're just gonna do a short little stretch. We're gonna do a forward fold here. Bring your arms out in front. Relax your arms, bend and straighten your legs a few times. And then slowly roll up and take a breath up. Exhale, shake it down. So just a short cool down there, a little bit of stretching, but that's it. If you enjoy that, if you want to try more Tabata workouts or more HIIT workouts that aren't necessarily Tabata, check out my website. The link is down there. 8 minutes. I feel like I got a workout. Hopefully you did too. Thanks for jumping in with me. See you guys later. Bye.